I'm tracking the holiday travel forecast in Maine. Let's get into the details now in the forecast. Light rain and snow coming. This is mostly on Friday, mostly in the mountains. A dry weekend for the most part. A few passing showers though, and then showers before Thanksgiving. Forecast is looking like it's going to be a little on the stormy side, but nothing major unless things change with the trends here. Watch very closely. There's certainly not a guarantee things are going to clear out. And for the mountains, it will be stormier. You see that here in the 10-day forecast. Partly cloudy, and then Friday, there's that light rain and snow into Saturday. Sunday, partly cloudy. Monday, rain and snow again in the mountains. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. And then back to rain and snow right through the holiday. You see that there. Now for inland, different story. Lots of sunshine, couple of days. Clouds Friday. Don't expect much of that light precip in the mountains. It's mostly a North Country thing, so it's not going to make it inland. Partly cloudy for the weekend, then rain and snow Monday. Wednesday, rain and snow. And then Thanksgiving clearing out a bit, mostly cloudy with rain and snow in the forecast on Friday for Black Friday. Now at the coastline, sun to clouds. A run for 50, but not quite. Rain early Saturday. And then on Monday, more showers. Again on Wednesday for the big travel day. And then rain again on Black Friday. So get to 50 though on Monday. Temperature is certainly warm enough that it's going to be all rain at the coastline at this time. So now we look at the forecast in more detail with the maps. I can show you this here. Now this is the one model look at things here the next several days through the holiday. You should see here rain snow line inland for Wednesday into Thursday. I'll run it back one more time and show you this here. So this is going to be for Thanksgiving weekend. And right now, the trend is for opportunities for rain and snow. These are not set in stone. There are storms coming down the weather highway. Here it is for the weekend right now. A few passing showers, not a big deal. But it is next week for the holiday. Watch where the rain and snow line sets up here inland, coming up into the forecast in just a second. There it is, rain and snow line coming in on Wednesday. Notice here, it's pretty far inland. So right now, temperatures are trending to be warm enough where it is going to be on the rainy side for a good chunk of the state. So I'll zoom in a little closer now, different model look at the Wednesday storm, which yesterday was saying dry, today storm. So the timing is changing. The storm is still there, okay? This doesn't really look like a nor'easter to me. It's more of a passing coastal low, but here is your storm coming in the center somewhere down here, and then you have enough cold air for some snow to start. So right now, busy travel day on Wednesday, and there's an opportunity there for a storm to make things messy. Satellite picture right now is all clear in Maine. Some clouds up in the mountains, as I'll show you here in the satellite picture. Take a look at the cloud cover. 30s and 20s here. A chilly start back over towards New York and Vermont, also in the western mountains of Maine. Lots of sunshine today for the most part. And then I will fast forward you to December. People asking, I've been talking about it, how the pattern flips in December. This is for early December, late November. Could be the Thanksgiving weekend around Sunday. We'll see. Okay, basically it's about the same time frame. But right now, there is an opportunity here for a snowstorm. This would be likely on Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend, so next Sunday. Right now, it's just a trend. Still too soon to nail that down, but I am watching it very closely for the opportunity for several inches of snow, especially away from the coast this time of the year. Now, you can follow along on Facebook, and thank you for subscribing on Facebook, Patreon, X, all those good things. And jasonhappyweather.com. I thank you for being here and for following along with the forecast. And I know that $5 is a lot of money a month, and I appreciate it. It certainly is helping. Thank you so much for being a loyal follower and subscriber.